Imagine this. 7 days from now, you've completely leveled up. You're focused, consistent, working out at least 30 minutes daily. And all those bad habits, scrolling reels, endless gaming, wasting time, they're gone. Feels good, right? Now snap back to reality. You're not there yet. But stay with me, because I'm about to drop 5 rules that will literally turn you into a brand new person in just 7 days. And I'm not saying this for hype. I tested this challenge myself, and it actually works. So if you're ready to upgrade your life, lock in and watch till the end. Point 1, use your phone like a tool. I'm not going to tell you don't touch your phone, but here's the truth. Your phone is either your best tool or your biggest trap. Delete the apps that waste your time. Stop scrolling just to scroll. For 7 days, your phone should only help you grow, not distract you. Point 2, focus on what you control. Forget the outcome, focus on the process. You can't control the results, but you can control the effort. Do the work. Progress equals power. That's what gets you ahead. Point 3, drop your addictions reels, games, junk dopamine. Yeah, it feels good for a minute, then leaves you empty. That's not comfort, that's addiction. When the urge hits, remind yourself, this fake happiness controls me only if I let it. Take back control. Point 4, break the programmed life. If your days look like wake up late, eat, school/work, scroll, sleep, congratulations, you're living like a robot. For 7 days, flip the script. Plan your mornings, schedule workouts, block time for skills and goals. Stop surviving. Start living. Point 5, train your mind like a weapon. Your mind is either your strongest muscle or your weakest excuse. When it tells you quit, don't. Every time you do the hard thing, you build mental armor. In 7 days, you won't just be stronger, you'll be unshakable. Follow these 5 rules for 7 days, and your whole life shifts. If you're down for the challenge, comment, "Yes, I accept." Then come back in 7 days and tell me how your story changed. This is your turning point. Get up now and do the work.